I think the girls with their nails done now.
Hello friends, I believe everyone is doing great. So let's get started on how to install libraries and module in Python. Firstly, open Pydroid 3 on your smartphone, then open menu and then click on PIP. In quick install you can see many libraries like Jupyter, Matplotlib, Pandas. Let us try to install NumPy. But when I click on install, it says Python plugin is missing. To solve this, click on get plugin. You will be redirected to App Store. Click on install. Once it's installed, go to Pydroid and then click on install. Let us try installing Pandas library. Now we will import NumPy and Pandas to verify. We got the output as program finished, so Python libraries are installed. In this way you can install any library or module in Python.